Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and I come here every day to teach you, to guide you beautiful practitioners in your yoga journeys. By now, most of you know me. To all the new practitioners, new joinees who are joining us for the first time, a special hello, a special namaste to you. I hope your journey with Times Health Plus from here on goes amazing and you stay with us consistently, you show up every day. इसी के साथ everyone, let's begin our practice. We will do simple postures today which will help us increase strength in the body. I have mentioned this before. Strength पर काम करना हम सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. It's mandatory because as we age, as we grow old, our muscles and our joints, they just get weak and they get tight. So it's our responsibility, it's our duty to take care of the body and to strengthen the muscles so we can live a pain-free life. हम अपनी ज़िंदगी आराम से जी सके बिना किसी जोड़ों के दर्द या सम बैक पेन, लोअर बैक पेन. ओके, इसी के साथ लेट्स प्रैक्टिस आवर फर्स्ट पोस्चर. वेरी सिंपल एवरीवन. दिस इज़ योर डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, अधो मुखो श्वानासना. एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए. हम डाउनवर्ड डॉग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, उसके तुरंत बाद वी विल पिक अप अ राइट लेग, विल होल्ड डाउन, लेफ्ट लेग hold and down. Just watch me first everyone. Watch me closely. I'll start here with my hands under my shoulders. Okay. I will curl my toes. Inhale. Exhale. I push back in this nice downward facing dog. Now यहाँ पे आप अपने feet को hip distance रखेंगे. कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके heels नीचे touch हों this way. We'll hold this for 5 counts. Then you will try to bring both of your feet together and you will pick up the right leg as high as possible. Okay. Now it could be here, 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 wherever, as high as possible. You will give me 5 counts, come back, 5 counts, come back and rest. So we are practicing our Adho Mukho Svanasana for 5 counts. We will practice it for 3 deep breaths. Then you bring your feet together, right leg up, down, left leg up, down. ओके इसको हम साथ में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. याद रखें कि पॉस्चर को होल्ड करते वक्त आपको आपकी सांस को नहीं रोकना है. यू विल कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग डीपली सो द मसल्स इनसाइड हैव इनफ ऑक्सीजन फॉर यू टू डू द आसना विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी एंड ईज. रेडी एवरीवन. इनहेल, कर्ल योर टोज. एक्सहेल, push back, downward facing dog. Feet are hip distance, heels wanting to touch the floor down, shoulders are elevated, fingers are wide open. Your drishti is towards your navel, okay? You're not directly looking towards the navel. Your head is in between the arms and you're only looking towards the navel. Stay. Keep holding, keep holding. And from there everyone, legs को साथ मिलाएंगे and we will gently pick the right leg up. Okay, try. I know the shoulders are getting a little tired here, but that is the only point. Stay for 5, 4, keep the body undisturbed. 3, 2, 1, gently release. And straight away everyone, let's go. Almost there. Left leg up. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. We will slowly bring the leg down and we will rest. Amazing. Let's take a short break here. You can close your eyes, you can sit in your Vajrasana or any other posture of your choice. Just make sure to get a nice breather here. And as the body is resting, shift your attention to how the body is reacting. How is it that you feel today? How are the muscles working? Just take a moment to observe. Amazing everyone. इसे हम दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. We will do the downward dog again and we'll again do the 3-legged dog wherein you pick up one leg. Except that इस बार जब हम leg उठाएंगे हम उसे pulse करेंगे. यानी कि देख लीजिए मुझे एक बार. As you pick up the right leg, instead of just holding it, you will also try to pulse. 2. So you will try to pick up the leg higher and higher. Okay, so this is your max. You try to go 5% more. 5% more. 10 times on the right, 10 times on the left. Okay everyone, ready? एक और बार प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. कोशिश करें कि आप बीच में रेस्ट ना लें, बट इफ इट फील्स इम्पॉसिबल, इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ओके टू टेक one breath and then continue. Let's go everyone. Breathe in, breathe out. Downward facing dog. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get both feet together everyone. You bring the right leg up as high as possible and we start pulsing. 10, 9, use your hip. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's go everyone. 2, don't give up. 1, don't give up. Put the leg down straight away everyone. Let's go. Let's try. Come on. Left leg up. We go. 10, 9. Pick the leg up. Come on. 8, don't give up. 7, 6, keep going. 5, keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1 and everyone. Amazing. Rest. You can either sit in your Vajrasana or you could rest in your child's pose. We will take a minute's break. We'll just take a few deep breaths. I will now sign off everyone. I will see you in the next class. Till then, you know the drill. Keep your spine up, keep your posture erect, a big smile on your face always. Be kind, be polite, be generous to yourself and to everyone around you. And lastly, always stay grateful. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.